Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour on Maxfield Avenue. We are currently on Lyndhurst Road heading towards Maxfield Avenue. And we are in the city of Kingston. On the right is a Unipet gas station, very large gas station. Doesn't seem to be that busy though. So this is Lyndhurst Avenue. And you can see the traffic, but there's a garbage truck that's doing their work, picking up the garbage, but they have to stop on the road to empty the drums. Sometimes it takes a little while, and that's why the traffic is backed up, because to go around the truck it's like single lane traffic. Okay, so straight ahead now is Maxfield Avenue, and Maxfield Avenue is one of the main roads in Jamaica, or one of the main roads in the city of Kingston. Very popular and busy road. So at that intersection, if we turn left, we take Maxfield Avenue down to Spanish Town Road, which is in downtown Kingston, or takes us into downtown Kingston. And if we turn right, we take Maxfield Avenue up to Halfway Tree. Now Halfway Tree is a very busy place, and so is downtown Kingston. Halfway Tree is actually the busiest place in the city of Kingston, and downtown Kingston is probably the second busiest place. So you can imagine the amount of traffic that's on Maxfield Avenue going between downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. Alright, straight ahead is one of those government ministries. I'll tell you the name soon. And you have a lot of business places on Maxfield Avenue, so that adds to the amount of traffic that uses this road. So it's one of the main roads. Transport Authority, that's the facility straight ahead, and that's their head office over there. Okay, why is he out in the road? Alright, so this is now Maxfield Avenue, and we're heading towards Spanish Town Road. On the right now is a Johnson's Plaza, very popular. They used to have a very popular restaurant over there. So we're heading towards Spanish Town Road, and then from Spanish Town Road we can go into downtown Kingston. On the right is Maxfield Park. It's a children's home. You have the Jamaican German automotive school. Very, very popular school for persons who want to become a mechanic. Jamaica Ultimate Tire Company on the left. Seventh-day Adventist Church on the right. Jehovah's Witness Church on the left. Now there are a lot of communities off Maxfield Avenue, so it's a very, very busy place. There's another church on the left. Jamaica has a lot of churches. In some countries on a Sunday, well, in Jamaica on a Sunday the place is like a ghost town. Most office buildings, plazas are closed. Unlike some countries where on a Sunday the place is so busy. But in Jamaica it's a very religious country. Persons go to church on a Sunday and then don't do much more. There's another church on the left, Church of God. Of course, you know, in Jamaica, you just stop in the road and have a chat with whoever you want to talk to. I mean, that car could so easily just pull off the road. Okay, we're now entering the Rosetown area. There you have some police hard at work. Okay, straight ahead now is the intersection with Spanish Town Road. Turn left, you take Spanish Town Road down to downtown Kingston, and turn right, you take Spanish Town Road towards the 3 Miles overpass. So we're going to turn left as if we're heading to downtown Kingston. So we're now on Spanish Town Road. On the right is the St. Andrew Technical High School, very popular school in Jamaica. On the right is a prison in Jamaica. Now, if we're going to turn around here, but if we had continued straight, we'd go into West Kingston, and that's where you have the Trench Town community, you have the Denham Town community, you have the Tivoli Gardens community, and then you would go into downtown Kingston. So you go into West Kingston, and then that takes you into downtown Kingston. Oh, and the prison on the left is the Horizon Adult Remand Center. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.